Why database documentation is pivotal in database management and development. Understanding database structure, documentation provides a clear overview of how tables are related to each other and to stored procedures. This understanding is crucial for developers and database administrators when working with the database. Facilitating development, when developing new features or modifying existing ones, having documented relationships between tables and stored procedures guides developers in making changes without unintentionally breaking existing functionality. Improving collaboration, documentation serves as a common reference point for developers, allowing them to collaborate more effectively. It ensures that everyone involved in database development is on the same page regarding how data is structured and accessed. Streamlining maintenance, when troubleshooting issues or performing maintenance tasks, documented relationships help identify potential sources of problems more efficiently. This reduces the time needed to diagnose and fix issues. Here is the streamlined code for documenting the relationships between tables, views, and stored procedures. Let's explain simply what we are doing here. We are reading database schemas that consist of queries, stored procedures, and views. With the help of prompts and using the Gen AI language framework in Python, we obtain the desired documentation content. Here is the prompt utilized for generating documentation content. It provides a structured overview comprising list tables along with their corresponding foreign key mappings, associated stored procedures, and relevant views. This format ensures comprehensive coverage and clarity in presenting the database schema. Subsequently, we leverage the AI model to derive detailed results based on this prompt. Here are the tables and stored procedures utilized in existing application. We send this information to the AI model along with prompts to generate the desired documentation content. This process helps us efficiently organize and present comprehensive documentation for our application's database structure. Here is the output database document. You can observe the database details presented in the same structured format as mentioned in the prompts. It includes a list of tables and their respective foreign key mappings, associated stored procedures, and views. This layout ensures clear and organized representation of the database structure. Advantages of creating ER diagrams with Mermaid and Draw.io using generative AI. Automated diagram generation. Use generative AI to automatically create ER diagrams from database schemas or text descriptions, reducing manual effort. Enhanced collaboration. Collaborate on ER diagrams in real time with multiple users, while AI suggests changes and maintains consistency. Rapid prototyping. Quickly create and iterate on ER diagrams with AI, allowing for fast adjustments to database designs. Consistency and error detection. Employ AI to ensure consistent diagram design and detect errors or design flaws early in the process. Here is the streamlined code for creating ER diagram with Mermaid Draw.io using Gen AI. This code snippet reads an SQL file and utilizes generative AI to generate a corresponding mermaid.js script. The output script can then be used to create entity relationship (ER) diagrams in the Draw.io application. By following this approach, you can automate the process of translating SQL schema definitions into visual diagrams, which facilitates easier understanding and communication of database structures. Here is the prompt for generating mermaid.js code by providing the specified SQL query. Here is the SQL file that can be converted into an ER, entity relationship, diagram. This file contains the schema definitions for the database, which describe the tables, their columns, data types, and the relationships between them. I am going to run the code now. It takes a few seconds to process. Now, I have the generated mermaid.js code. Using draw.io, we can create an ER diagram from this code. Let me demonstrate that for you. I'm going to demonstrate how to create an ER diagram using this mermaid.js code. Open the draw.io application or website. Click to arrange and insert an advanced and mermaid. Copy and paste the mermaid.js code into the box, and then click Insert. And export it to image format. This is an generated ER diagram, allowing you to easily understand the database tables and their relationships. For complex or large databases, representing the entire ERD in a single diagram might not be practical. It's recommended to break down the diagram into smaller, related groups of tables and create multiple diagrams, as needed, to represent the full database. This approach makes the ER diagrams more manageable and easier to understand.